Hello. We're riding in the car. My nose itches. We're riding in the car on the way to Disney World. And we're gonna get there in like about 8.5 hours. So that'll be exciting. My birthday's tomorrow. That was Tiffany. That's my mom and daddy right there. See them? Say hi, mom and daddy. Oh.
Hey, mom and daddy.
No, you did it wrong.
All of a sudden, I got afraid I forgot my camera.
You look stupid.
Because I am.